She is beautiful. Look how pretty you are. She's pretty mellow, actually. See? It's okay. Here, let's go up here. Go sit up here. I'm going to warm you up some. If I can hold the camera still, I'm so excited. Oh, she's going to bite my camera. No biting the camera. That's bad for your teeth. You're all right. Yeah, she's beautiful. I want to introduce her to everyone. I'm going to name her Jasmine in memory of my girl Jade that I lost. She is adorable. She's such a little thing. Yes, you are. We're going to fix that, huh? Hang on, Mama's trying to warm you up. Probably as she warms up, she's going to bite me. Hopefully not. What? You got a new house, huh? What do you think? I'm impressed. Well, those teeth are open, though. You okay? She's really chilly. I hope she doesn't end up with the respiratory infection. But that was my fault. I should have mentioned to you to put a heat pack in with her. She'll probably be okay. She's a little defensive. Not that bad, though. Yeah, she's going to be fine. You're going to be my best friend, just like Chewy. Yes, you are. You're going to be my best friend, too. Get you warmed up, girlfriend. She is so cute. I didn't sleep worth crap last night waiting because I knew she was coming in this morning. They scheduled her to come in by 10:30, and I kept the tracking page open to watch every move with her delivery. So I actually just met FedEx out my driveway and got the box from them. So she's doing okay. So we'll be fine. It was a rough trip, huh? It's not as warm here as it is in California, I assure you. But she'll warm up quick in her enclosure. But I wanted to meet Jasmine, my new caramel coastal carpet. She's so pretty. Yes, you are. So I'm checking everything out. Yes, I am. I'm going to let her stay in here for a little while and warm up here on my bed. And then I'm going to move her into her enclosure. I got it set up real nice for her. Nothing fancy. I don't keep fancy in my snake enclosures. I keep plain, clean, and comfortable. Show you what I set up for her, Travis. This right here. Oop, my camera's not focusing right. Try that. That's better. But I got her a nice bamboo branch to climb on. And she's got overhead heat, and she's got a heating pad underneath her hide, so she'll be fine. It's big enough for her. Big, long hide box. Nothing spectacular, just enough to make her comfortable and at home. And there's her light up there to keep her warm if she wants to bask on top of the hide. But I think we'll be fine. Somebody is not happy. Somebody is upset. It didn't take her long to warm up and start acting like a fool. Look at you. Look at you. So I warmed up now. I'm ready to fire. I'm cocked, loaded, ready to fire at anything that moves. See? You're beautiful, though. Yes, you are. You got a name now. Your name is Jasmine, by the way. And welcome to my snake family. She is beautiful, Travis. She came from living legless reptiles. I can't talk. I'm so excited. I held her for a little while as she started to warm up. But as soon as I put her in the enclosure, she fired herself up and started striking at everything that walked by. What memories I have of when Chewy and Jade were like this. Anything that moved around that enclosure got popped at. She's going to be great. I'm going to love working with her and helping her learn to trust people. That's the fun part of raising them. Oh, what great memories I have of when Jade and Chewy were this size. And had that attitude, that carpet python, I'll mess you up if you cross my path attitude. They're beautiful. Beautiful snakes. Anyone wants to raise a really social, friendly snake, get a carpet python. They're very social if you work with them. If you don't, they tend to be defensive for the better part of their lives. And my hand's right up against the glass in front of her face, and she's not striking at me now, but she's beautiful. You got out of the light, so you look dark now. Hi, Mommy. She's got a name. Her name is Jasmine. I'm so happy, so excited to have another baby in the house. It's been 6 years since I had a baby carpet python. 7, actually. Since I had a baby one in the house. What wonderful memories. Even if they bite you, it's worth it. It really is, to earn their trust. Not like they're harmful at their age and size anyway. But, you know, it's odd. No matter what size snakes are, when they strike at you, it's such a common response to jump. And to duck. I don't know. It's just a human reflex. I do say, oh, now we're going to pop at me. My finger move. Did my finger move on the glass? You going to come get my finger? Huh? You going to get my finger? But yeah, no matter what size they are, it's just such a natural reflex to jump when they strike. Even though they're harmless at this size and age. That's just what you do. It's how you react. Even though you know they mean you no harm. It's just their way of saying, please don't bother me. That's all. That's all it is when the snake strikes at you as a baby. It's like saying, please don't bother me. I'm afraid. Beautiful girl. I'll leave you alone. Oh dear. Am I blocking the TV so you can't see it anymore? That's hilarious. I got another TV watcher. She just came in this morning. She's already spending her time watching television. See? It's right there. Right across from you. And she likes it. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I blocking your view? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I am. So you meanie, you're blocking my view. I can't see. Huh? Can't see television now? Oh my. Somebody's not happy with me. Why don't you get off the water dish? If I move, you can see it. Huh? Boing. So get out from in front of the television so I can watch it. You're mean. My mean mama. I put cardboard up on these 2 walls so she doesn't feel so vulnerable. Oh dear. Oh dear. Everything that moves. She warmed up real fast.